Yes, members, you are most welcome once again to learn together with Saddam Hussein, the mathematics facilitator. In YouTube, just type Learn Math with Saddam Hussein. You'll be able to get me anytime you want, and work is always uploaded there. On Facebook, just write Saddam Hussein, you'll get me there. On WhatsApp, my number is 0772 335223. You will be able to get me. So we want to look at something about standard form. This number is always set in primary 7 and is commonly in section A. And I believe any mark that you always see, even if it takes only 2 marks, it's very important. It can allow you to get, by the way, a distinction, can allow you to get a credit, anything that can happen, but we need to learn how to write numbers in standard form. Now, they have given us a number like write 469 in standard form. 469 in standard form. When you're writing this number in standard form, I want us to follow this carefully. Write numbers in standard form. You will have 469. Are you getting me? We divide by 10. So when you divide 469 by 10, this decimal point will be here. Remember, if a number like this, which is a whole number, the decimal point is always settling on the right-hand side, though it is invisible. So it becomes visible here because you are going to have 46.9. Still divide by 10 until we remain only with one number on the left-hand side. That number should be significant. Which are those numbers called significant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 is not a significant figure. As we move on, we shall be able to see here. So, you move the decimal point until you have only one number to the left-hand side. So you now have 4.69. You now have one figure. Are you getting me? You now have one figure to the left-hand side, and that is a significant figure. It is among the numbers 1 to 9, those numbers there, and 4 is also among. So it's a significant figure. A significant figure is this one here at this point in time. Now, since we have been dividing, I know this is a whole number, we shall now write final, say, times 10. This is now our final answer. How many times have you divided this 469? You have divided it twice. So you put here power 2, which is positive. Positive 2. So writing 469 in standard form is as simple as you have seen it. The only thing that is important here is when you write numbers in standard form, make sure that you leave one significant figure to the left-hand side. Only one significant figure to the left-hand side. And that one gives you a platform. That one makes you write the question well as it is required. It can be done with any other number. We can look at here, example 2. If that is 1 or A, we can look at B here. When they say write, maybe 464.42 in standard form. 464.42 in standard form, or 464 and 42 hundredths. 42 hundredths. We read the last place value, hundredth. 464 and 42 hundredths, or 464.42. Now, writing it in standard form, we are going to have 464.42. We divide it by 10. Then you move this decimal point once there. It becomes 46.442. Again, divide by 10 until you remain only with one figure the other side, on the left-hand side. So again, you move it. 4.6, 4, 4, 2. Now you have realized you have only one number, the left-hand side. Then you just multiply. The last one there, you write multiplication, not division. Here we are dividing. Now we are the final answer, meaning that you can multiply by this to take you back to the final answer. That's what it means. Actually, standard form is a simple way of writing bigger numbers. A simple way of writing bigger numbers. That's why if you want to go back to the original, you have to multiply it by 10 raised to power positive 2. Why positive 2? Because we have divided twice. So this is a simple recap of something concerning standard form. And I expect you not to feel bad. These are simple things that we can do, that you can do, that everybody can do. We shall move on and look at other many numbers as we correct some of these mistakes that we have been making. Remember, some of you have this system of doing it like this. When they tell you write this number, 464, in standard form, what you do, you say 1, 2, then you say 4.64 times 10 to power 2. I'm strongly ruling this system out. Please, my dear children, this is not the right method to use. This is the right method to be used, and the approach is very clear, understandable, and it's not gambling, but it's the right thing we can do. This is when they give you numbers like this. This is a whole number. Then this one here has this whole number part and the fraction part. We are going to look at these other numbers which only have the decimal. For example, 0.0045, for example, like that, and other numbers. We shall be able to look at that. So I can give you some simple exercise to work out. I want you to work out this number. Write 6424 in standard form. Write 6,424 in standard form. That one is enough. In the next lesson, that's when I'll give you more examples and more exercise as we move on. Thank you very much for attending. Please, I urge you to subscribe more to my YouTube channel to get these lessons. Of course, they are for free. You are not paying for them. The only thing is to keep following and watching. Time and again, it is reliable for anybody, the mature, the young. You are all welcome, always to follow. Please follow the guidelines because you need your life, and I still need myself as well. That's why I'm keeping it safe, teaching from home, and you have to be able to pick it from there. May Almighty God bless you as you keep moving together with me. Thank you very much. I'm Saddam Hussein, the mathematics facilitator. May God bless you.